I'm going to teach you how to do a system flush on your Norvell Auto Revolution 1H. First, a few things that you'll need. Large empty container, some paper towels, your system flush, and then of course, your new jug of solution and some gloves. First, you're going to go to your solution cabinet, use your key to open it up, choose the line you'd like to flush, pull that jug out, and set it on your foot plate. Go ahead and place your bucket right beside it. Then you're going to move to your keypad. On your keypad, you'll see on the left-hand side the purge options. So you want to turn your key to the 1 position, that way it's facing your purge options. Choose the line that you would like to purge. For us, it's going to be line 2. They're going to be in order in your cabinet from left to right. So you'll press line 2 to begin the purge session.
Purging in progress.
Go ahead and unscrew the cap from your old jug. Take your lines and your cylinder and place them inside your large empty container. Holding your lines over the empty container, unscrew the clear tube from the cap. Remove your lines from the clear tube, then set the clear tube to the side. You'll come back to it later. Leave both lines in the container for a moment while you move your old jug out of the way. You're done with it. Bring out your system flush. Set it right beside your bucket. Take your colored line out of your container. Wipe it down. Leaving your clear line in your container, put your colored line into your booth flush. Continue to watch your clear line until you no longer see the dark bronzer, but do see the booth flush running through. This will take a few minutes. Once you see the booth flush running through your clear line, leave them where they are and move back to your keypad. On the keypad, you'll press the 2 button again to stop purging line 2. Now you want to pull your clear line out of your container and wipe it down. Put it along with your colored line into the jug of solution flush. Tighten your cap. Put it back into your cabinet, making sure that none of your lines have kinked. Shut your cabinet door and move your bucket out of the way for a minute. We're going to go back to the keypad. Now you want to run a full session with the booth flush. This will ensure that you clean your lines as well as your nozzle and your solenoid. To run a full session, you want to adjust your key to the right-hand side and choose the line that you want to run the session in. We've been working on 2, so we'll press that. Then you'll move your key back to the center position and press the green start button on the booth to run your full session.
Step inside the Norvell spray booth and face forward.
Once your full session has completed, press and hold 3 to reset it. Then take your key, turn it back to the left for your purge options, and then press 2 to begin purging the same line again.
Line purging in progress.
Then move to the front of your booth. Go ahead and open your cabinet door back up. That way you can pull your booth flush out. Set your large container beside it. Unscrew your cap. And put your lines over the top of your container. Leave your clear line in your container and set your colored line out. You can go ahead and set your booth flush to the side. You're done with it. Get your new jug of solution and set it next to your large container. Go ahead and wipe down your colored line and place it inside of your new jug of solution. Now watch your lines. You want to watch the clear line for all of the booth flush to run through and to start seeing the dark bronzer come through. This will take just a few minutes. Once you see the dark bronzer running through the clear line, leave your lines where they are and move back to your keypad. Now you want to make sure that all of the flush has run through your nozzle, so we're going to press and hold 3 until you no longer see the booth flush and you do see the dark bronzer. Then you can press 2 to stop the flush. Now pull your clear line out of your large container and wipe it down. Go ahead and pull out your colored line and hold it over the top of your open container. Insert both lines back into your clear tube. And thread your tube back into your solution cap. Then you can insert both lines and the tube into your new jug of solution. Tighten your cap and put it back into the cabinet. Once again, double check your lines to make sure you don't have any kinks. And shut your cabinet door. Go ahead and clean up the inside of your booth to make sure it's ready for your next client, and we'll go back to the keypad one more time. Now that you've completed your system flush, you just want to turn your key back to the center position. That way you're prepared for your next appointment. Now you've completed your system flush in your Norvell Auto Revolution 1H. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us here at Norvell. We'd be glad to help you with anything you need.